Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Have you ever looked at an old piece of furniture and seen its hidden potential? Maybe it's a worn-out chair or a scratched-up table that just needs a little love. I'm all about giving new life to forgotten treasures, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of furniture flipping. It's a journey of creativity and transformation. Flipping furniture is more than just a creative outlet. It's a budget-friendly way to refresh your home decor. Imagine updating your space without breaking the bank. You'd be amazed at the gems you can find at flea markets, thrift stores, or even tucked away in your own attic. Each piece has its own charm and potential. These pieces often come with a history, a story waiting to be continued. It's like giving a second chance to something that was once cherished. But the benefits don't stop there. There's so much more to gain from this rewarding hobby. By giving new life to old furniture, we're also making an eco-conscious choice. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Repurposing reduces waste and minimizes our environmental impact. Every piece saved from the landfill counts. Plus, it allows you to personalize your furniture to match your unique style, something you can't always get from mass-produced items. Your home becomes a true reflection of you, and let's not forget the sheer joy of the process. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing your vision come to life. It's incredibly rewarding to transform a piece with your own two hands and then get to enjoy the stunning results in your home. So grab your tools and let's get flipping done. Alright, are you excited to get started? The first step to any successful furniture flip is proper preparation. Think of it as laying the groundwork for a beautiful masterpiece. Begin by removing all hardware, including knobs, pulls, and any decorative elements. It's much easier to work with a clean slate. Next, give your nightstand a thorough cleaning with a mild detergent and water. You'd be surprised how much grime can accumulate over time. Once your piece is dry, inspect it for any imperfections like scratches or dents. Use wood filler to fill in these areas, allowing it to dry completely. Sanding is our next step. Use medium grit sandpaper to smooth out the filler and any rough patches on the surface. Finally, wipe away all the sanding dust with a tack cloth. Now you have a perfectly prepped surface ready for its transformation. With a prepped nightstand, it's time for the fun part, deciding on your design style. Do you envision a sleek and modern look, a cozy farmhouse feel, or something bold and eclectic? Let your personality shine through. For a minimalist, chic aesthetic, think clean lines, neutral colors, and minimal embellishment. Rustic farmhouse calls for distressed finishes, warm wood tones, and maybe even a touch of vintage charm. If you love vibrant hues and statement pieces, go bold and modern with geometric patterns or contrasting color combinations. Don't be afraid to experiment. Look for inspiration in magazines, online, or even in nature. Remember, this is your chance to create a piece that reflects your unique style. Now for the transformative part, painting. This is where your nightstand will truly come to life with color and character. But first, a crucial step: priming. Skipping this can lead to uneven paint and a less durable finish. A good primer creates a smooth and even surface for your paint to adhere to, ensuring a flawless finish. It also helps to block any stains or wood tannins from bleeding through. Apply a thin, even coat of primer to your entire nightstand, allowing it to dry completely before moving on. This step is essential for a professional-looking result. When it comes to paint, you have options. Each type of paint offers different benefits and finishes. Chalk paint offers a beautiful matte finish and excellent coverage, making it perfect for a vintage or shabby chic look. While latex paint provides a more durable and washable surface, ideal for high traffic areas or pieces that will see a lot of use. Choose a high-quality paintbrush specifically designed for the type of paint you're using. This will help you achieve a smoother finish and make the application process easier. Remember, thin coats are key. Thick coats can lead to drips and uneven drying. Apply the paint in smooth, even strokes, working in one direction. This technique helps to avoid visible brush marks and ensures a uniform finish. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Patience is key to achieving a professional look. 2 to 3 coats should provide excellent coverage. This will ensure that the color is rich and even. Finally, seal your masterpiece with a protective top coat. This step is crucial for long-lasting durability. This will prevent scratches, chips and fading, ensuring your nightstand looks its best for years to come. A well-sealed piece will stand the test of time and daily use. Section 5. Hardware. The jewelry of furniture. Just like jewelry completes an outfit, hardware can elevate your nightstand from simple to stunning. It's the perfect opportunity to add a touch of personality and enhance your chosen style. For a modern look, sleek bar pulls or minimalist knobs in brushed nickel or matte black would be perfect. If you're going for a vintage vibe, consider using antique brass knobs or porcelain pulls with intricate details. Don't be afraid to play with color. Brightly colored knobs can add a playful touch to a neutral nightstand, while metallic finishes can bring a touch of glamour. When selecting your hardware, make sure it's the right size and scale for your nightstand. You want it to complement the piece without overpowering it. Section 6. Creative touches for a personal statement. Now comes the really fun part, adding your own creative flair. This is where you can let your imagination run wild and truly make the piece your own. This is your chance to personalize your nightstand and make it truly unique. Think about what colors, patterns, and textures resonate with you. One idea is to incorporate stencil designs. Stencils can add intricate details and patterns that are otherwise hard to achieve. Choose a stencil that complements your style and use painter's tape to secure it to your nightstand. This ensures the stencil stays in place while you work. Apply paint over the stencil with a stencil brush using a dabbing motion for even coverage. Be patient and take your time to avoid smudging. Another creative touch is to add wallpaper to the inside of the drawers. This unexpected detail can be a delightful surprise every time you open a drawer. Choose a pattern that coordinates with your overall design aesthetic. The wallpaper should enhance the look of your nightstand, not clash with it. Measure and cut the wallpaper to size, then apply it to the drawer bottoms using wallpaper paste. Make sure to smooth out any bubbles for a clean finish. For a two-toned look, consider painting the drawers a different color than the nightstand base. This can create a striking contrast and highlight the design. This adds visual interest and dimension, making your nightstand stand out even more. You can also attach wood trim along the edges of the nightstand for an extra touch of sophistication. This can give your piece a more polished and finished look. Remember, the possibilities are endless. From paint to fabric to unique hardware, there are so many ways to make your nightstand one of a kind. Let your creativity guide you and have fun with it. The most important thing is that you enjoy the process and love the final result. Section 7. The big reveal before and after. Step back and admire your handiwork. Can you believe this stunning piece was once an outdated, forgotten piece of furniture? You've successfully transformed it into a modern masterpiece. Take a moment to compare the before and after photos. It's amazing what a little bit of paint, creativity, and elbow grease can achieve. You should be incredibly proud of yourself for giving new life to this piece and creating something beautiful for your home. Section 8. Unleash your inner DIY designer. Congratulations on completing your nightstand makeover. I hope this project has inspired you to tackle more furniture flips in the future. Remember, with a little imagination and some DIY spirit, you can transform any piece of furniture into a one-of-a-kind treasure. Now it's your turn. Head to your local thrift store, browse online marketplaces, or even raid your own attic for your next project. Don't forget to share your amazing creations with me on social media. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And for more DIY inspiration, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Happy flipping!